In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a knock sensor on your Dodge Ram. It's located on the passenger side of the engine as well as the driver's side of the engine. Now, we want to access our knock sensor on the passenger side of the engine through our passenger side wheel well area here. It's located just below the passenger side exhaust manifold. So right here is a connector. You want to go ahead and pinch these two tabs on the either side right here. Wiggle that off. We're going to use a 13mm socket to go ahead and loosen the bolt holding the knock sensor. Now on this engine, the 5.7 liter, there are two knock sensors. There's one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. They're pretty much located in the same spot, just on either side of the engine block. What I'm going to do is line up the knock sensor here, go ahead and get that bolt started. I'm going to go ahead and thread this down as far as I can by hand. Now with our sensor in position, let's go ahead and snug down that bolt. Now the most crucial thing to installation of this knock sensor is the torque of the bolt itself. Over torquing or under torquing can result in a check engine light and a drivability issue. I'm going to go ahead and torque this down to 15 foot-pounds. Once we have that torqued, go ahead and grab that connector. You're going to line that up and press it on. You're going to feel it in here, it snap into place, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.